welcome back to Daily Math Concepts. Today, what we want to look at is how do we find the gradient of a line, or how do we calculate the gradient of a line when we're given 2 points? I'm just saying that there are 2 points that are on this line. So let me just mark them. There's a point here, and they call it A, and there's another point here, and I call it B. I'm just saying. So points are on the line, and let's say the coordinate for A is probably 2, 3, and the coordinate for B is maybe 3, 7. In order to find the gradient or the slope of this line, what we want to do is to be able to quickly do some calculation. So there are various ways to find it, but we're saying we want to learn how to calculate it. So we want to label the points x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, the thing is, you can call these x2, y2. Also, you could call these x1, y1. So it's up to you. But remember, wherever you have x1, there is y1. And wherever you have x2, there is y2. So I'm doing it like this right now. Now, remember that the gradient, you can find the gradient easily by using this rise over run idea. The rise refers to that vertical change, and the run refers to that horizontal change. So this is basically the y2 minus the y1 for that vertical change over the x2 minus the x1, basically. So in terms of the labeling, so we're talking about 7 minus 3 over 3 minus 2. And what we have is 4 over 1. So the gradient of this line that passes through the point AB is 4 over 1. Or you could just say 4. All right, let's quickly look at another one. So let us say that we have 2 points. C, which is -2, 5, and D, which is 1, 0. So these are 2 points, all right? If we want to find the gradient of a line connecting these 2 points, all we have to do is to do our labels very quickly and simply. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. The gradient is equal to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So we're talking about 0 minus 5. So we're substituting now x2, y2, and so forth. So we have x2, which is 1, minus x1, which is -2. So you have to be careful with this. This is a -2. So basically, we're looking at a 0 minus 5 is -5. And then a 1 minus -2 is a plus. So we end up getting -5, 3. So that is the gradient of a line that passes through these points. All right, I trust that you learned something there. Please subscribe to Daily Math Concept, like, and share. Thank you.